Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the 3.5-inch HD FPV Cinematic drone with GPS. This drone is designed to offer a blend of smooth cinematic capabilities and dynamic freestyle performance, packed into a relatively compact form factor for its class. One of the standout features highlighted is its enhanced stability. The drone incorporates a hollow design and noise reduction technology, which together contribute to incredibly smooth and stable flights. This is particularly important for capturing high-quality cinematic footage where shaky video is a no-go. The stability also makes it more predictable and easier to handle, whether you're a seasoned pilot or getting comfortable with FPV. Performance is another key area. It's equipped with a high-performance motor and propeller combination. This setup provides the necessary power and responsiveness for both stable cruising and more aggressive maneuvers. The drone is described as offering dynamic and powerful flights, capable of handling the demands of both cinematic lines and freestyle tricks, making it quite versatile for different flying styles. For managing your footage, the inclusion of memory card and USB ports directly on the O3 Air unit is a significant convenience. This simplifies the process of transferring and storing your HD video files, allowing you to quickly offload your footage and get back in the air. No need for complicated procedures. It's designed for easy data management. The user-friendly design extends to its setup as well. The power cable and battery installation method are straightforward, aiming to make getting the drone ready to fly as quick and easy as possible. This means less time fumbling with connections and more time enjoying the flight experience. Adding to its capabilities is the integrated GPS. This feature provides an extra layer of stability and functionality, which is beneficial for maintaining position and potentially for features like return to home, although specific GPS functions aren't detailed. It certainly enhances the overall flight experience, especially for cinematic shots requiring precise positioning. In terms of what you get, the package includes the drone itself, a remote control, a battery, propellers, a memory card, and the camera. The drone is constructed from plastic and comes in a black finish. Its dimensions are listed, though the 3.5-inch refers to its class, likely propeller size, indicating it's a nimble drone suitable for various environments. Overall, this 3.5-inch HD FPV Cinematic drone with GPS appears to be a well-rounded package, focusing on stability, performance, and user convenience, making it suitable for pilots looking to capture smooth HD footage or enjoy dynamic freestyle flying.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.